No.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to gather information using NetDiscover. Gathering information about the connected clients and the router is very important because it will help us know what their IP addresses, MAC addresses, the operating system that they are running, the ports that they have open in their devices, and for example for the router we had to be able to know the manufacturer of the router, and then we had to be able to look for exploits and vulnerabilities that we can use against the router or against the client if we are trying to hack them. After connecting to a network, we can gather much more detailed information about the device connected to the same network. NetDiscover is the simplest and quickest program which shows device information. Let's see how we can use NetDiscover. NetDiscover will show us IP address, MAC address, and sometimes the hardware manufacturer. So we are going to use it by typing NetDiscover, then we are going to put I and specify our wireless device, which is WLAN 0. As you can see, I am using WLAN 0 instead of MON 0 because I am using it in manage mode. I don't want to capture any packet that's in air. I only want to capture packets that are directed to my device. And then we are going to put the range. You can put any range you want. If I look at my IP, and you can see my IP is 106. So this is the network that I am in, 192.168.43.106. So I want to discover all the clients that are in this network. So we are going to try to see if there is a device in 192.168.43.11. Then we are gonna try 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 254. That's the end of range. So to specify a whole range, you can write it like this: over 24. So that means I want to 192.168.43.1, and then in here just going to increase up to 254, which is the end of the IP range in the network. So I am going to hit enter, and as you can see it's finished. That was very quick. As I said, it's the quickest way, and you can see we have 1, 2, 3 devices connected to the network, and we have their MAC addresses and also the MAC vendor. It was very quick, and it just shows simple information. Thank you for watching.
No.